In this video, I will show you how to use ESPN fantasy game easy and quick. So you just need to watch and follow this video till the end. After downloading ESPN from Play Store or App Store, you should create an account. After creating an account, it's going to take you here to this home page. You want to, for example, join a league or create league, click here. And you have to click, for example, on a league or create one if you want. For example, on baseball, I will choose this one here, and I will join this. So after that, I will back. Here is the homepage, guys. If you click here, you can find your joining teams. As you can see, I have two, one for baseball and one for football. And from here you can find games like football here, basketball, hockey, women basketball, and it's very easy. If you go and click here, you can find the settings. Here is the settings, guys. You can find it. And yeah, this application of fantasy game is very useful, guys. If you have any question, type it down in comments, and see you in next video.